Yeah, take that.
They say I'm getting money, must be Illuminati. Talking to the Holy Ghost in my Bugatti. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. They say I'm getting money, must be Illuminati. Talking to the Holy Ghost in my Bugatti. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. Lord knows that boy that been about it. Lord knows that boy will catch your body. Phone ringing, gotta be the Mexicans. Phone ringing, gotta be the Mexicans. Being dead broke is the root of all evil. Get money, my nigga. Do good with your people. I got the calico, I got the dynamite. They wanna do it big, pick a time tonight. Back to these bitches following my timeline. Back to these crackers following my timeline. Got the phone tapped, I think I'm being followed. Touch them with the Holy Ghost, can you hear me, Father?
Father, please protect me from brokenness and bitch ass niggas. Bitch ass bitches too.
In the kitchen going ham again. Fucking with them birds like Cam and them. I tell you what's the word when the 10 is in. We them niggas on the curb with them hammers in. Whole brick, throw it on a triple beam. We get hectic, we gon' stretch it like a limousine. Ain't no crutching, if I touch it then it's Mr. Clean. I be rapping in your section, me my nigga Dean. Ghost boys, in the ghost, nigga. I burn bread, I ain't talking toast, nigga. Whole team of killers, I'm the coach, nigga. Presidential on my wrist, now take your votes, nigga. Rookie of the year, cookies in the rear. I got some bad bitches that'll get it there. If you don't wanna get it, we gon' send them there. If it's heavy, then O'Malley coming in the leer. Brick squad, like rocking them. If it's Gucci, like the Howard, get a block for them. I don't touch it, I just leave it up to talking them. Niggas started wasn't dropping, we was popping in. Lean with it, rock with it. Throw some back up in the pot with it. Microwave, but we gon' pop whip it. When it get right, we drop that ass and make it lock with it. I tell them lean with it, rock with it. Throw some back up in the pot with it. Microwave, but we gon' pop whip it. When it get right, we drop that ass and make it lock with it. I made $1 million off a mixtape. Nigga, get your shit straight. I'm selling that raw shit, you selling that whip weight. Cooking up a whole bird until I make my wrist ache. When I put up to the club, you should've seen your bitch face. 50 cash in my pocket.